Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use app for converting JSON file to SQL script. I have a JSON file here on my computer. I can double click on it and open it into JSON Viewer. It's a free application that shows what is inside a JSON file. And you can see what it will do, it will try to flatten JSON and present it as a table with all records. So I can see it and I can export into different JSON format if I want to. But basically, if I want to see like what is JSON inside, let me close this. I'll right click on it and open with Notepad. And inside you can see it has a JSON structure. So this is like header of this structure and root of the structure, and there is a leaves. Basically, it's hierarchical structure, but application will flatten it into table and show it as a table. Now, if I want to convert it into SQL script, I will use different application. I will download it from my website. Let's close this and this. And this is my website. I will leave link on this into description. To find app, I will click on search and type JSON to SQL. Just click on it, click on download to download archive with application on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on JSON and SQL converting apps, or more on JSON apps and apps that produce SQL. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on file screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion is 3 steps process. In the first step, I want to select input JSON file. I'll click to select input file, navigate to my states JSON. Okay, I can just type states.json. Yep, just click on it, click on open. And you can see file has been selected. I'll click on next step. Here, I want to select conversion options. First option is like add ID field. Sometimes having ID field is important for SQL database because it's all relations, everything, and ID field is uniquely identify record into SQL database. So sometimes JSON structure don't necessarily have this field, but for SQL it's nice to have, and I will keep it checked. Now, second option is which database I want to convert. I want to convert to SQL Server, MySQL, or SQLite. So I will choose SQL Server here. Now here I want to specify which fields I want to be converted. So for example, I want all of them. So just click select all and click on next step. Here I can preview SQL. It will create. And you can see that it creates table states with this field's ID, it's the ID that I wanted, and it will set as identity and auto incremental, and all fields for this field for this table. And on the bottom, you can see all data will be inserted into this table from JSON file. So I'll just click save to save this SQL. It will ask me for file name and location. This file name and location is okay. I just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I will click on quick access. Right click on the file and open it with Notepad. And you can see it has a SQL script has 2 parts. In first part, it will create table structure for all data exported from JSON and with all fields, and in second part of the script it will insert all exported data into tables that it creates. So I can run the script into my SQL development environment, or I can send it to my DBA and he will run it. And as a result, I will have a table with all data from JSON exported, it will be imported into SQL database of my choice. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.